If you also want to yield maximum results with minimal efforts by active studying, make sure that you watch this video, because I have been able to do that. I have been able to sit for my exams following this methods by just a few hours of studying before it. Hey stories, it's Isha and welcome to this channel. I have a diary of mine where I've shortlisted a lot of video ideas and probably script of many videos as well. And I went through this one video ka script that I've written बहुत पहले is how to prepare for your exams effectively. And I was like, man, why didn't I upload this video? Why didn't I make a video? Because the tips that I've written there, like these are so effective, and I can guarantee you that if you follow them right away, this is absolutely going to work for you. The number one tip that I have here is Parkinson's law. This states that if you typically take longer hours to complete your work, a lot smaller time frames for that. For example, if you think that this particular topic is going to take you 1 hour to complete, allot 40 minutes, 30 minutes or 20 minutes for that, and chances are that you will be able to do that within that time frame as well. This is because human brain works on deadlines and it tends to do things in last minute. So understand it in this way कि अगर आपको 4 दिन का gap मिला है for studying for a paper, you will always do that just a day before exams, or I would say just a night before exams. Number 2, Pomodoro technique. So this technique says that study for a frequent time interval followed by frequent breaks. For example, if you study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break for that, and again sit for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break for that, and do that continuously unless you complete your work. You can do this with 50 minutes ka cycle followed by a 10 minutes break, or you can even do that with 90 minute ka cycle followed by a 15-minute break. But the idea is to take breaks and also sit fully with full focus and distraction free. Phone off kar do. And also phone se yaad aaya, set a timer here in this phone. Set a timer for 25 minutes and sit for that. Do not do this in your head, because you will over time lose track of it. Have something to guide you, have something to monitor you, and this phone, isko flight mode par dal do, and this phone is going to help you. And also what I also want to emphasize here on is the breaks. You're taking a break for 5 minutes. Do not distract yourself. Break or distraction में बहुत difference होता है. So the things that tend to distract you, like कोई game खेलना, या if social media distracts you, do not go there for the break that you're taking. The break is meant to relax the mind, and it is also meant to refill your energy for the next cycle that you're going to sit for. If you're still confused how it works, I have a video on it. It is called Study With Me. So there in that video, I've exactly followed a Pomodoro technique of 25 minutes of studying followed by a 5 minutes break. Again 25 minutes studying with following a 5-minute break. And exactly in that video, I've actually prepared for my radio ka paper. Although it was a mid-sem exam, तो उसमें थोड़ा कम पढ़ना था, but in 90 minutes I was able to finish every topic. So this is the power of like full concentration wala studying, distraction free or self active studying. Coming on to the next step, focus on keywords. So your examiner looks out for certain keywords in your answer sheet, and make sure that you provide them those keywords by actively understanding right keywords while you study for the topic. And also make notes. Doesn't matter अगर आपको college से notes provide किया गया है या फिर you are finding something on the internet, you should have a notes, handwritten notes of आपका अपने हाथ से for your exam purpose, जहाँ पे you are only writing, like that note should be enriched with right keywords for every topic. If you master this art of figuring out right keywords for every topic, you are absolutely going to excel your exams. And the next and the last tip that I have here, which is also going to be a deal breaker, is multiple revisions are important. It doesn't matter if you go through a syllabus for one time, because your brain can only remember so much in one go. It is important for you to constantly remind your brain of what you study, and also constantly revise कि आप क्या है, so that you fit in right keywords in your mind. So the quick notes that we talked about filled with right keywords is going to be extremely helpful here. This is the purpose of that note, that you can quickly take it, and वो notes elaborate नहीं रहता, 10 पेज का नहीं रहता है, एक एक टॉपिक का बहुत कंक्रीट एंड कंसाइज नोट्स रहते हैं, and you go through that multiple times before your exams. Even if you are studying just a day before exam, make sure that you incorporate this revision system then also. So before just winding up all your study wala thing, revise everything that you studied in that cycle. Before sitting for next cycle, revise everything that you studying. Take like hack time, बाथरूम में जाके, खाते वक्त, कहीं भी ऑटो में अगर आप जा रहे हो एग्ज़ाम देने, कुछ भी, उसके पहले जल्दी जल्दी रिवाइज़ कर लो. So yeah, these were all the tips that I wanted to share, and you'll be able to crack every examination of yours by just active studying for just a few hours. दिन भर की पढ़ाई की ज़रूरत नहीं है, even during the days of examination. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video. पता नहीं, मैं अभी बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ अच्छे से, I guess गली की प्रॉब्लम, मैंने आइसक्रीम खा ली थी. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends. Please do share, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, dream, design, and live your story. Bye bye.